Are you looking for a durable and reliable tiling installation system? Well, look no further.
Our ProGrip range offers a secure and long-lasting bond backed by an impressive 10-year warranty.
To ensure a successful installation, it is essential to follow these correct steps. Step 1 is surface preparation. Select a surface prep product from the ProGrip range to suit your application.
This step is crucial to ensure that your adhesive bonds properly and that your installation lasts. Ensure the surface is clean, dry and sound using our ProCare products. Use the correct surface preparation products for the application. Step 2. Select the right tile adhesive from our ProGrip range. Our polymer modified adhesives ensure a strong bond for any tiling application.
Be sure to follow the SABS specification and use the correct tile type and bedding methods. Once tiles are in place, step 3. Use ProGrip water-repellent grout to fill the joints. Remove excess adhesive for best results.
Step 4. Expansion joints. Structural movement is a natural occurrence in all buildings due to temperature fluctuations and settling over time. To prevent cracking or lifting, expansion joints are crucial. Install a 5 mm parameter joint by cleaning adhesive and debris. Then install the backing cord before skirting. Add intermediate joints for ground floors, interior areas over 5 meters by 5 meters, exterior areas or suspended slabs over 3 meters by 3 meters.
Clean the expansion joint down to the substrate, removing any debris or adhesive. Then, install the backing cord, positioning it to fill half the joints. To ensure a clean application, use masking tape before using the sealant.
Finally, apply our ProGrip expansion joint sealant to the thickness of the tile, ensuring a secure and flexible bond.
Follow these steps with ProGrip to ensure a quality installation backed by our 10-year warranty. Complete your installation with a perfectly clean finish using ProCare grout remover and heavy-duty cleaner to remove grout and adhesive residues. Protect your investments with ProCare, maintaining beautiful tiles for years to come. For detailed product installation guides, visit the CTM website and download the manual for your required products, or get in touch with us for more information on our products and warranty.
Choose our ProGrip products for a reliable and durable tiling installation system.
Happy tiling!